In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these cute personalized bows. You can make these whatever size you want, but my fabric I cut about 20 inches by 4 inches, and then you're going to iron it in half so that you see the crease. Then I'm taking a small piece of carbon transfer paper, and I printed out the name in the font that I want. And I'm going to trace over the name and it'll transfer onto the fabric. Then I'm going to take one strand of thread doubled over so it makes two. I tie a knot at the end. And then I'm just going to do the regular back stitch to stitch out the whole name. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to iron it again, and then I'm going to fold it in half so that the name is facing in. Put the two ends together and cut at an angle. Then I'm going to go over to my sewing machine, find the center of this strip of fabric, and I'm going to start sewing the ends closed, but I'm going to leave a little space so that I can flip the fabric outside in. So right now, the name, the embroidered name, is on the inside of these two pieces. So right there is the back of the name. And you're just going to sew all the way down to the end. Then flip it around and you're going to stitch the other side, again making sure you leave a little bit of a gap, a little hole there, about 2 inches wide, I would say. Then you're going to find that hole and start flipping the fabric outside in. This takes a while and it takes some patience, but you can use tweezers. And you're going to need some kind of pencil. You're going to use the back of it with the eraser to push out the corners. Just take your time and go gentle, especially near your stitching. This is completely optional, but you can sew that little hole closed if you want, or you can just leave it. You're not going to be able to notice it either way. Then you're going to take a nylon headband, put the fabric through it with the name facing out, fold it in half, and tie it in a bow. This is another step that takes a little bit of patience and playing around with it to get it perfect, and move the headband towards the back. Make sure you can see the name. Just keep pulling at it until you get it exactly the way you like. And that is it. Like this video and subscribe for more easy hand embroidered handmade gift tutorials.